We are at our second tree for Cranberry Farm, and this one you're going to find a few similarities to the last tree that we looked at. The first one is that we do have the berry branches and berry stems, but these are not the same as the other ones because everything on this tree is sweet. And so these are sugared berries, which ties right into our bakeware ornaments and with our sugar cookie ornaments. And so there are several things here that we want to point out. First of all, this cookie, well, I said cookie, but really it's an ornament, isn't it? But it looks so good you could eat it. I mean, you're going to have to watch the little kids because they're going to definitely want to snack on this. Got a little bit of glitter on it, a white snowflake, and it just looks like a sugar cookie. It's perfect. It's hanging here with some of ours inside of our cookie cutters. This is one of our trees inside of a red cookie cutter, and it floats freely. See how that is? Floats freely on the tree. Beautiful. We also have the snowman cookie cutter with the red. And then we're going to show you some of our sugar cookies that are looking like a cookie with a little bit of red accent on them. And as we slide around the tree, we've got the larger sugar cookie tree. And of course it's a green tree, but this is going to have a little silver cookie cutter. I'm going to lift that up there so we can see it really well. But again, looks good enough to eat. Now some of our cookie cutters just feature a little green tree, like this red star one, or this tree right up here. We got a little green tree just hanging freely in that cookie cutter. Again, everything here is sweet. We've got the rolling pins in several different styles. This one has the snowflakes, and this is a glass rolling pin. But then over here, we have it with the red and white stripe. And again, it's a glass rolling pin. And then Brian, I'm gonna really squeeze you around this side of the tree, but we wanna look at these other cookie cutter ones, and this is another star. And then we have the red snowflake, beautiful, with just a little bit of shimmer and shine as I turn that ornament around. You can see it. And then in the very back, we have the red stocking inside of a cookie cutter. Yum, yum, yum. They should have changed the name of this collection from Cranberry Farm to, I want to eat cookies, or I can't put those cookies down. Either one of those would work. The other thing you're going to notice about this designer tree, and again, you're going to see those on the other tree as well, is the clip-on lights. And so clip-on lights, super easy. They work with a remote. All you have to do is figure out where you want them on the tree, clip them on, use your remote, and turn them on and off at the end of the day. Everything is sweet in Cranberry Farm.